navigate through your COM-FSM Webmail account. First, you will need to open up your internet browser and type in webmail.com/FSM, or you can go to the college's website at COM-FSM, and under the Quick Access drop-down menu, you will see a link for Webmail right here. Your username and password are assigned to new students by IT during your registration process. If you are a returning student and have forgotten your login, you will need to bring your student ID to the IT office for assistance. Okay, let's navigate. Once logged in, you will be in your inbox, so any new emails will be at the top of the window in here. Mine is empty because I have not received any emails. At the top, we will go into our settings. On this page, you will see your email address and other settings which can be modified. Directly under your email, you will see a spot for your display name. This is what will appear in someone's inbox on the From section instead of your email address. It is recommended to leave it as is or change it so your display name is your first and last name you wish to be called by your advisors and professors. If you scroll down to the bottom, you will see a place to fill in your email signature. If you choose to fill it in, you can put your name, major and program, and any campus positions you hold. I have done a sample for you already. So it says student, I'm in the HTM program and I'm the CTEC SBA president, and if you would like, you can add your personal cell phone number. Again, this is optional and you can leave it blank if you so choose. After you have made the desired changes on the left side, you're going to click Save Settings before leaving the page. It will reload and you're good to go. If you want to go back to your home screen, this is important. Do not click the back arrow as it will log you out of your email. You can simply click the Read Mail right here and it will take you back to your inbox. Looking on the left side of your home screen, you have several different folders. Now, if you would like to keep your emails organized, you can add additional folders for your convenience. Go to the top of your screen and click Folders. If you would like to keep all communication from your advisor in one place, you can create an advisor folder. You can do this with your instructors as well. Just find what works best for you. Type the name of the folder that you would like to create, and then you're going to click Add Folder. Your page will reload, and now you will see it added at the bottom of the mailbox names. If at any time you would like to delete this folder, you just click this yellow folder with the red X. Just know that any emails that are currently saved in that folder will also be deleted, and it cannot be recovered. If you choose to delete it, you will receive a prompt to do so, and you can answer it accordingly. For this purpose, I'm going to click Cancel so we can actually see it saved. All right, let's go back to our home page, but again, don't hit the arrow. You're going to just click Read Mail and it'll take you back. Now you can see your newly added folder on the left side menu. Now that we've got our email set up, if you want to ever change your email password, you'll need to go to MyShark to do so. Your login will be the same as your webmail, and you can go to the college's homepage and go to Quick Access and click MyShark. It'll open the window for you and your login is the same. And on the left-hand column at the bottom, right here, you're going to click Change Password and it'll walk you through it. All right, let's go back to our email and compose a message to our instructor. At the top, you'll see Compose, and you'll want to click it. Now let's say you're going to email your professor an assignment for your class. Before sending to your instructor, be sure to appropriately name the document that you are sending to them. For instance, if you're going to send a Word document, label it with your last name and assignment name. This way, when your professor opens your email and downloads the doc, it will be easy to identify who it is from and what it is for. So you can see right here, I've got a sample document and I've already changed the name. I've got my last name, MS101.01, assignment 1. Okay, this might work for you. Professors might have preference on how you name the documents. Please reference your syllabus on how to do so. All right, back in our email, in the left column, you're going to click Attachments, and it's going to open a small window. You're going to want to click Choose File, and then you're going to click the file that you want, make sure it is the correct one, and click Open. Next, you're going to click Attach File, and it's going to load, and then you will see file name right here. If you've added a file and you realize it's the wrong one you don't want to send, all you need to do is click the red X and go back to Choose File. Now, before you close out, you don't want to press the X. You're going to click Done, and then you will see the attachment added to your email. If it did not add it, go back through all the steps and make sure you don't close out of anything before saving it. When you're sending your email, it is always important to include a subject line so the receiver will know what you are sending in reference to. For this, we will simply put MS101 homework assignment. Now, for the body of your email, we just want to keep it simple, let the professor know we're sending them our assignment. There we go. All right, now before we send the email, it's always important to proofread and read your email content out loud. Once you've double-checked your spelling, grammar, making sure your attachments are there, and you have a subject line, then you will add your receiver's or your recipient's address. We do this at the end, that way we don't accidentally send an email before it is ready. And as you type in the person's name, it will begin to pop up and you can just click it and it will add it in for you. Now you're ready to press send, but before you do so, make sure you only press the send button one time. Sometimes it can get slow and you'll see it spinning in this top corner. If you press send multiple times, it will send your email multiple times. So please just be patient with it and it will go through. All right, so we're going to press send now and we're going to see it load where it says connecting, and it's already sent, so it has taken us back to our home screen. And that's it. If you have any questions about this email how-to video, let us know and we'll be happy to help.